So this is my new remodeling shower that I'm working on, and as you can see, the shower length is 6 feet and the depth of the shower is 3 feet and the height is 8 feet. So the length from here to here 6 feet, and the depth from here to here is a little bit more than 3 feet, and from here, from the height to here is 8.5 feet almost. And what I want to show you here, the wall here, let me show you here. See, here I installed, on the back, I installed the dense armor sheetrock that is moisture resistance. It's better than the green board for sure. It's a fiberglass. And I already installed here the plumbing, as you can see here. Okay, so here, that's the only interior wall that's going to the living room. And here I'm going to install a niche. And you can see the first problem here, that this is a drywall, the paper here, which is not protected against moistures. So I want to show you how I'm going to protect this, how to make this drywall protected against mold and mildew. And also these studs are not treated stud. I want to show you what I'm doing. That's the first thing I'm going to do here, is protect them against mold and mildew and also termites. So let me show you how I'm going to do it. What I'm doing, I'm taking the borax, that's borax, and I put it here. Okay. So you have 3 spoons of borax or boric acid, and here you have a 3/4 of a liter, 700 milliliter container. So each spoon is for 250 milliliters. So I'm putting that inside, and I put the hot water.
We open the hot water and now we will wait until the water become hot.
So the water are already hot, and I'm going to pour the water inside this container. It's going to be 750 milliliters. So the borax acid is inside the water, and I'm going now to mix it for 30 seconds. So that's the color it looks like, you see. It looks like a kind of almost white, a little bit. So the borax acid dissolved inside the water, and now I'm taking a brush and I'm going to apply it on the sheetrock back, you see, because it's a paper, and this paper can be moisture and mold and mildew can grow on it, but not anymore, because the borax will dissolve in the paper. It will stick there forever, and no mold and mildew will grow on it. So look what I'm doing. I'm actually putting here. And believe me, it's better than green wood, because it's natural and it doesn't have any poison or something. And don't worry about the water, it will dry out very soon. And the only borax will stay as a crystallized borax, will stay on the paper and protect it from mold and mildew. So this one I already did here. This one I already did, so that's the way it looks like. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to continue putting it on a stud, because I want to protect the stud from termite, because here it's exterior wall and termite can come and start eating my stud where I'm going to put the tile here. And that's going to be very expensive, because termite we have an area with a lot of subterranean termite, and they might be penetrated to the shower or back and starting eating the stud. The reason is this place is going to be moister, and we attract mold and attract termite, especially termite. So what you have to do, you have to take this and starting putting it from the bottom, the borax, and continue on all the stud. A little amount, don't worry. You can even put it white to make sure that the borax are sucked to the wood. And that's the way you really protect your shower walls from termite and mold and mildew. What happened to even a treated wood when it's underwater. If you can look at it, I have to remove it.
I am painting the stud with a borax substance in order to protect it from termite, mold and mildew.
This borax will protect the wood from mold and mildew.